Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're gonna look at 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the brand new iPhone SE. Reason number 1, if you are using any of Apple's latest device, that is the iPhone, from the iPhone 11 and up, I really don't think you should be buying this phone because it's going to actually be a major downgrade. So if you're using an iPhone 11 or 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, I suggest you stick to that phone because those phones are actually much better than this phone right here. Reason number 2 is form factor. Now, this phone here has the same form factor as the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 6s, which is the only difference is that this one is made out of a glass back and that one isn't. So if that old form factor of those iPhones is really something that you don't like, I don't recommend you upgrade to this phone. I would suggest maybe try the iPhone XR or even the iPhone 10, because this one still packs the big bezel and it also still comes with a Touch ID. Reason number 3 on not to buy this guy here would be that the new iPhones are actually around the corner, which is going to be the iPhone 12, and those iPhones actually are packing a major redesign in form factor. Those phones are going to be looking like the iPhone 4s from back in the day with a square body. So if you can wait to buy a new phone, which is probably going to be released around October, which has actually been pushed because of the pandemic that we're going through. So if you're not in a hurry of buying a new phone, I suggest you wait for that phone and not buy this one here. Reason number 4, battery life. Now, this guy here unfortunately comes with a 1821 milliamp battery, which is going to actually give you a lifetime of around 9 hours and 18 minutes daily, which if I had to compare with its bigger brother, the iPhone 11 and the others, the iPhone 11 comes with a 3000 milliamp battery, which can actually give you a longer screen on time. But if you actually have to compare this phone with the competition, for example the Samsung S20, the normal version, that phone comes with a 4000 milliamp battery, but it's actually also going to give you a daily usage of around 9 hours 31 minutes. Now, the last reason, it's going to be the price. Now, as much as this phone is supposed to be a budget phone, the price is very close to the iPhone 11, which if money is really not an issue, I would recommend that you guys actually get the iPhone 11 other than getting this phone, although you're basically getting the same performance. Now, this is gonna be it for this video on the 5 reasons why you should not buy the iPhone SE. Now, I wanna hear from you guys down in the comments right below the like button. What are some of the reasons you guys wouldn't recommend one to buy the iPhone SE in 2020? This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.